Very few modern truck engines have sparked as much debate as GM's 5.3-liter V8 for years. This engine has been praised for its strong low RPM torque, solid towing performance, and ability to last hundreds of thousands of miles when maintained correctly. However, in recent years, one recurring problem has come to overshadow all of its strengths: lifter failure. Owners of Chevrolet Silverado, Hayabusa Sierra, Taoi Suburban, and other GM vehicles equipped with a 5.3 LV8 frequently report ticking noises, rough idle, misfires, and in extreme situations, complete engine failure. Although GM has released revised components and oiling updates, experienced engine builders consistently point to the same underlying cause. The uncomfortable reality is that the AFM and DFM systems themselves are responsible. Replacing failed lifters with factory-style parts usually delays the issue rather than solving it. After years of teardown inspections, real-world fleet data, and hands-on repair experience, professionals agree on one conclusion: the only lasting solution to GM 5.3 lifter failure is a full mechanical AFM-DFM delete. AFM, or active fuel management, was designed to improve fuel economy by shutting down 4 cylinders during light load driving, allowing the engine to operate as a V4. This process relies on special hydraulic lifters that collapse the stop valve movement. DFM, or dynamic fuel management, takes this concept further by allowing different combinations of cylinders to deactivate depending on driving conditions. While impressive in theory, both systems add complexity to an engine that previously relied on simple, proven mechanical design. The root issue lies in the collapsible lifter design. These lifters depend on precise oil pressure, internal locking pins, and extremely tight tolerances. Small issues such as oil contamination, cold start pressure fluctuations, carbon buildup, or internal wear can cause them to stick or partially collapse. When this happens, the lifter no longer follows the camshaft correctly, leading to valve tray noise, misfires, bent push rods, damaged cam lobes, and sometimes catastrophic engine damage. Many owners are frustrated when lifter failures return even after expensive repairs. Engine builders explain this simply: installing new AFM lifters without removing the system only resets the failure timeline. The same conditions remain, and the same design weaknesses persist, often resulting in repeat failures within 20,000 to 60,000 miles. Common symptoms include ticking or tapping sounds, rough idle, misfire codes, loss of power, engine vibration under light throttle, and AFM-related fault codes. In advanced cases, metal debris can circulate through the oiling system, damaging bearings and other components. A true solution requires removing AFM and DFM mechanically, not just electronically. This involves replacing collapsing lifters with standard Noni FM lifters, installing a Noni FM camshaft, updating lifter trays, head gaskets, bolts, and using an AFM-free valley cover. ECM tuning is also required to permanently disable AFM logic. This repair is not inexpensive. Parts typically range from $1,200 to $2,500, with labor requiring 25 to 40 hours. Total costs often fall between $3,500 and $6,000. However, compared to repeated repairs or engine replacement, many owners find it worthwhile. Replacing lifters alone is a temporary fix. Oil changes help, but don't eliminate the flaw. Software-only solutions are incomplete. A full mechanical AFM-DFM delete remains the only proven permanent solution for a GM 5.3 lifter failure.